Chinese pronunciation, vowels. 大家好，今天呢，我试着录制一些基础的中文发音的教学视频，希望能够帮助到大家。I try to make some videos about some basic Chinese pronunciation. Hopefully, this will be helpful. 首先，我们从最基本的元音开始。Okay, let's start with basic vowels. 今天我们来练习字母 A. So today, we start with the first vowel letter A. A 在中文里啊，可以有4种不同的发音。So A in Chinese could be pronounced in 4 different ways. Let's see them one by one. 第一 first one, 啊啊。大部分时候，字母 A 的发音是啊。So mostly, letter A is pronounced as ah, ah. In this one, ah, that's very close to the English letter O in like heart, box, a lot, right? Heart, ah, ah, ah. Yep, that one. Or like letter R in French, like ah, ah, ah. Yeah, that one. 举个例子 ，for instance, big, 大，大 and everyone, 大家，大家 and where, 哪里，哪里 card, 卡，卡 tea, 茶，茶 spice, spicy, 辣，辣。第二啊啊 yeah. Second, so the letter A could be pronounced as in AI and AN. So in this case, this is pretty close to the American in like ask, path, grass, yeah, like that. For instance, I, like love, I. And C, 海，海 beach, 海滩，海滩 male, 男，男 boy, 男孩，男孩 blue, 蓝色，蓝色 food, dish, 菜，菜 Chinese food, 中国菜，中国菜。第三 the third one, 啊，啊。This one is pretty close to the British R in ask, bath, task. Yeah, this one, R, that's more backwards. In AO or ANG, letter A is pronounced as R, R, R. That's more backwards than the common A. A, that's a common one, the first one. And this one in AO and ANG are like the British way to pronounce ask. Hard. For instance, 好，好 like good. Hello, 你好， 你好。sun 太阳，太阳。Hong Kong 香港，香港。But why Hong Kong in English? Because that's based on Cantonese. Hyun Gong. It's not on like Mandarin. Mandarin 香港。How is 怎么样 or what's up 怎么样 pretty beautiful 漂亮漂亮。第四 fourth a in IAN or YAN actually that's a little bit cheating. It's not a sound at all. It's more like the E sound in English, like let, better, set, read. Yeah, so IAN is yen. It's not yon. It's not R sound at all. It's yen, yen. Yeah, that's IAN. Yeah, only in this case. For instance, money, 钱 钱 Okay, see you, bye, 再见再见 color, 颜色颜色 face, 脸脸 next year, 明年明年。好，我们再复习一遍。Okay, let's review all of these. 第一 the first one, like heart, box, that O in American English, right? Second one, in AI and AN, like and, ask, path in like that's letter A in American English. 第三 third one, R in AOANG, yet like ask, path, hard in the British English. Yeah, R. 第四 the fourth, in IAN or YAN, like letter E in English, let, read, set, yeah, in IAN or YAN, yen, yen. 学会了吗 You get it? 接下来我会讲一段话，大家可以注意 A 在里面不同的发音。Then I will read a paragraph, focus on the letter A's pronunciation in these paragraphs. Okay? 大家好，很高兴认识大家。你们的中文怎么样？我是中文老师，来自香港。我爱喝茶，红茶、绿茶都喜欢。我喜欢中国菜，但我不能吃辣。谢谢大家，再见。如果你喜欢这样的视频，或者有什么别的想法和建议，记着点赞、关注、留言。If you like my video or you have some like suggestions, please don't forget like, follow and leave a comment. 谢谢 Thank you.